Hey friends, hey, thanks for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, my name is Symone, your new favorite cash stuffer. If you're not new to the channel, then it is just your favorite cash stuffer. Today, I am here to cash stuff my sinking funds envelope with you guys, so stay tuned for that, and I hope you enjoy. Okay, y'all, I am going to start off with my high priority binder. Let's just jump right in there and start stuffing these envelopes because your girl haven't been here cash stuffing with you guys. So let's get back on our cash stuffing game. So starting off strong with our home, that will be getting $10. I'm going to do a little bit of condensing because I don't have the correct change. So this one needs $10. I'm going to put 10 and take 20. Next up, we have household. That will be getting 10 as well. So we're putting 10 and we are taking a 20. And listen, if you go to the bank and you forget to bring your denomination breakdown card with you and you don't remember your exact amount, just kind of pull whatever you think you may or may not need and condense as you go along. Why not? That's my cash stuffing hack for the day, okay? Medical will be getting 10. We're going to put the 10 back and take a 20. Retirement will be getting 10. And listen, I was so stressed out about doing this cash stuffing because I'm like, hold on, I didn't take my denomination breakdown with me, and now I don't even know if I'm going to have the correct amount. But I think everything will work out just fine. Retirement now has 20. Next up, I have my car maintenance, and that will get a 10. Car maintenance now has 20. How are you guys doing for this new quarter? We are now in Q2, and if you're not doing so good, don't beat yourself up. We still have Q3. We have the rest of Q2, Q3, and Q4, and just keep moving forward, y'all. Just keep moving forward. Don't beat yourself up. It's not worth it. This budgeting thing is not for the weak, okay? My birthday envelope will be getting $10. It now has 20. And I'm just going to update the trackers later. Savings will be getting, I kind of switched this one up just a little bit. I had bigger denominations for my monthly savings. I'm not going to do that anymore. I'm just going to, I switched it out for some smaller monthly saving challenge, and I'm just going to pace myself. So this one, my monthly saving challenge will be getting $10. I'm just gonna go ahead and mark off one of the 10, and I'm a little bit behind, so I need to get it together. But as I said in previous videos, and you will hear it throughout my videos, we are pacing ourselves, going at our own little speed, and that's that, okay? For my challenge, I am going to add $10 to it. Does it have anything? It does. Okay. I'll add 2 5s because this is a $5 challenge. And I kid you not, these envelopes, they just want to act up when you're trying to do a video, not wanting to do things like the money doesn't want to go in properly. And ain't nobody got time for that. Okay, this is my Boss Babe challenge. This one will be getting, what did I say, $5? Yeah, $5. And how cute is this daisy? How cute, like how cute is this little challenge? It is so cute. Okay, that is it for my high priority binder. Moving on to lifestyle. School will be getting 5. So school now has 10. I think I'm going to go in and round the corners of these challenge. Maybe that will help it to kind of slide in to the envelopes a little bit more seamless. Gifts will be getting $10. Put a $10 bill in that one for now. So gifts now has $15 inside. Clothes will be getting $10. So clothes now has 10, 15 total. Personal care will be getting $10. Personal care now has 15. Wish list will be getting $10, and I will put the last 10 in this one. Wish list now has $15. So wish list is anything I might need for my home or something personal for myself, you know, like a little gift or a treat or something like that. So for my Amazon account that I have, I just like add a bunch of stuff on my wish list, and yeah, a girl can still wish and dream, right? Special event will be getting $5. It now has 10 in total. Family fun will be getting $5. Family fun now has $10 in total. Costco is going to get 5. So Costco will now have 15. And I think initially I wanted to use this to pay my Costco registry or whatever to do with Costco, but I think I'm just going to use this strictly for food because I do have the Costco business membership and I buy a lot of stuff at Costco, so I get the rebate. If you have the business card, you get the rebate. So typically or usually the rebate that I get kind of covers the registration fee for Costco, so I'll use this for, like, you know, bulk up or shop on major items that I may need. Registration will be getting 5. And this registration is for like anything to do with my drive-in or stuff for work, things like that. Tax will be getting $5. I've already done my tax, so this is for tax for 2026. And even the cost of doing your tax went up. I'm so not happy with that. They always have a recession and everything else goes up, but your wage doesn't go up. And it's like, how is one to balance things out when everything around you is going up except for the wage, you know? Anyways, miscellaneous is going to get 5. And this is pretty much anything that I didn't think of budgeting for, I will take from this envelope. So in total, miscellaneous has $10. So that is it for my lifestyle binder. Moving on to one of my favorite envelope, because listen, fill your cup and let it overflow. Whatever overflows, then you share it with others, okay? This is my self-care binder, and let me tell you, pour into your cup, your own cup. And when your cup overflows, whatever overflows, that is what you share with others, okay? Never give your last to anyone. Never. That might sound a little harsh, but if you're good, then you are in a better position to help others, right? But if you're not good, then you're no good to yourself or others, right? Moving on after that little counseling session there that no one asked for. Shopping will be getting $5. Shopping now has 15. And I really need to do some shopping. I need to shop for some new clothes. I'm finally starting to lose my baby weight and my body, and things are making sense. So I need to shop for some new clothes, okay? Hair will be getting $5. Hair actually has nothing inside. So this is the first $5 bill for hair. Nails will be getting 5. I do my own nails, y'all, and I think I'm getting a little better. So nail just has 5. And spa is getting $5. I actually have insurance, but I'm still gonna add stuff to this just in case I have to pay anything out of pocket. Glasses will be getting $5. I'm actually saving up to get contacts. I recently just purchased glasses. And if you are in Canada and you're looking for cost-efficient eyewear, such as glasses, prescription glasses, prescription sunglasses, or contact lenses, Specsavers is the place to go. Listen, I have an eye stigmatism, so my prescription is super expensive. I went there and I was able to purchase 2 pairs of glasses for less than $300. Hello. Go to Specsavers, okay? Especially if your prescription is like special. Anyways, that wasn't sponsored, but I'm just sharing some areas where you could save if you're a Canadian girly. I'm not sure if Specsavers is in the US. And next up is beauty. You probably heard my son, he's on the game, he's a gamer. Beauty is getting $5. Beauty now has 10. The gym, which I put my gym membership on pause, so I've just been doing home workout. The gym membership was a little too expensive and I was looking for areas to cut, and that was an area. So I put it on pause, but I want to restart in June, so let's save for that. Gym now has its first $5. And last but not least, date night with the Fam Bam is getting 5, and it now has $10. Okay, so that is it for today's cash stuffing. I hope you guys enjoy. It's always fun for me to just kind of slowly stuff my sinking funds, because then it just makes things feel like it's moving in the right direction. But I digress. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.